Our journey at automated trading has early beginnings from trading ETFs and stocks to the development of sophisticated trading bots driven by AI. Collectively, our team has in excess of 30 years of experience in the world of trading. The concept of automated trading began with the computerization of stock exchanges in the 70s and the 80s. This allowed traders to execute orders electronically, replacing traditional floor trading. Well, by 2015, we at Automated Trading created some of the first indicators that are based on trading strategies that relied on the use of technical indicators, which indicated when to buy or when to sell. These indicators were coded to operate in such markets as stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrency. At Automated Trading, we didn't hesitate to adopt artificial intelligence for trading. AI has brought a new era of automation. Machine learning and deep learning algorithms has enabled us to create trading bots to adapt to changing market conditions and to learn from historical data. Our AI-driven bots analyze vast databases, identify patterns, and make trading decisions that humans simply cannot. As technology continues to evolve, you can be sure that we will be on the cutting edge of this new AI trading frontier.